Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Agoda payment not going through. First, go ahead and check your internet connection and make sure it is stable during the payment process. Next, ensure that you have enough balance or credit available in your card or account. Then, carefully view your payment details such as your card's number, expiry date, CVV, and billing address. Then, swipe off from the bottom of your screen, look for the app, swipe it away, closing it completely, wait for a few hours and reopen it, and try your payment again. Restart your phone if necessary to clear temporary issues. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version from the App Store or your Play Store. If the issue continues, try using a different payment method or contact your bank as the transactions may be blocked for security reasons. That's how you fix the Agoda payment